Hello traders, this is Mike Hamilton from Trade the Easy Way, and I had a good session in the Traders Round Table, but just towards the end my room software crashed, so I lost my recording. So that's lucky for you, because I'm going to give you a very short, succinct précis of what I'm looking at the markets. I've had a very positive reaction to non-farm payroll on Friday, and one of the benefactors has been the euro. This euro-yen, it's very, very powerful chart pattern. We're in this apex and we've broken above this. I know we've got a lot of congestion up here, but I'm interested in the pullback tomorrow at around about the 670, 650 area, if we see it in euro yen. The pound yen, of course, has done well also. That's a pullback if you're interested, but don't get too exposed to short yen. But 340 is a potential pullback in that one. Very little data on the pound this week. Only got UK jobs on Wednesday. In the US, we got retail sales on Thursday. So these are key sort of pivotal times of the week to see if we can get some follow through on this strong Monday. Switching over to commodities quickly. Oil. This is the continuous contract, not the September one. You can see these two green lines have picked off the support from March. Very positive close, so if you get a pullback to 44.25 or similar area to your September contract, if that's what you're trading, is a good place to get long. You see, retest that hammer 44.40 would be good to get in. Gold, talked about this a lot last week. Decent push through, so weakness in the dollar today. I think I would like to see this recover to 11.30. We dropped hard here on a Sunday night on the 20th, and so the Asian market had a lot of chance to get short this. The Western market didn't. So I think we might get a boomerang bounce to 11.30, at which point I want to get short and get long the pound Aussie dollar and short the Aussie US. Okay, Aussie is a good way to trade gold if you are not wanting to commit to gold and or you are a forex trader. Okay, so indices, that's a good start to the Dow, pushing up into that daily 20 EMA on this chart on the right. So that's a good pullback for 550 tomorrow. If you see that, that'll give this 20 EMA a chance to come up to the 200. So let me mark that. Okay, 540, 550. Stocks. Let's look at the miners first. The Danta in the UK has had a great move, so if you're interested, try and get a pullback to around about the 450, 460 area. GG in the US is good. That's got a gap to fill at 1470, so pull back to 1390 is a possibility there. Tech's had a great day. I like Rambus at 1370 because of it's broken away from all the moving averages. There's a gap fill down here at 1350. Another one I like is BRCM. There's a gap fill at 1540, which I would like to see. Facebook, I'm just like to see a dip in that one, not getting it at the moment. The area I would like is about 1920. Twitter had a good move, but it's banged into weekly resistance. Not one for me, but have a look at it and see what you think. Apple seeing a push up from 115. Hitting the daily 200. See what you think of that. Adobe has gapped up. Other stocks, oil. VLO we talked about before. This had real relative strength. It's all the time oil was sinking, this one was holding and even running up. So that's a pullback to 67.10 if you see it. PTEN nowhere near as strong, but nonetheless looking as if it's getting bought down here. 1750 in PTEN. Some other good ones, a Murphy Oil. That looks as if that's potentially a better chart. It's closing above that congestion. 35 would be a test of the daily 20 on that one. Rig, decent push up through the 20 EMA, so 1390 is a potential in rig. Okay, so just to recap, I like the Euro Yen, I like the Pound Yen. I think the Pound US is worth a try on a pullback after that big move today. Indices, particularly FTSE, and oil. Okay, I hope that helps. One other thing, let's look at AA in the UK. I'm actually long this, long around about the 365 mark. Macy's, I've got to move my stop up because I'm short this. It is selling into the close. We've got to 67.94 at today's highs. That's coming off. I will ramp my stop up. TJX, I'm leaving for the moment, but keep my eyes on that one for a short. Oh, Yahoo. I like Yahoo at 36.90 area. Alright, I hope that helps. See you in the room tomorrow at 8.